Oh well.
Oh well. Mm,
Bit me a lot.
Barricade the room. We need to protect the biohazard
no way, a
container.
different site?
Setting trauma back here!
I just thought about that. Bloody. I was about to say, nah, you're not trash. You just eat trash. And then I'm like, oh no, he's the trash that eats trash.
Yeah.
He's the pin chicken.
Trash that eat trash. Our favorite kind of trash.
Doorway,
Oh,
trap. Stay
mechanic.
clear of blast.
Look at chilling bloody strip.
Oh,
10
that's where
seconds
you
left.
belong.
Doorway
Nah,
trapped. Stay clear of blast.
Five
don't
seconds
do it
left.
anywhere else. I might as well do it there.
Might as well.
Protect the
Actually,
biohazard
Captain
container at all
Max.
costs.
We Gucci.
So many places to try out.
Oh my goodness. It's a spot. Meow. Woo.
Ambush set. Stay clear.
Nope.
EDD mounted.
Opening here.
Oh, how? Hey, he's dead. Were you saying something was happening here?
I heard someone breach open here.
Well, I can see the floor. I see the man. How is he still alive?
Man and woman.
There's another one on the left.
Okay. Right.
Someone else in there. There's an explosion.
I don't know. I'll chill here.
I'm gonna not make a strafing run.
Oh, we got behind us
How
as
the
well.
hell did I get that?
Someone's gonna need to push behind.
Do you have? Oh, you're not Doc.
No.
Is that a red dot? I think it is.
Oh, damn, that's Cap. Right here.
Mm,
Ooh,
Too greedy.
rippers.
so yeah, there was a jackal in there.
Shit.
That was a friendly
Oh,
thing.
this is... Which way?
That was Legion, wasn't it?
Which? Oh, shit. Yeah, that is the...
Yeah.
Op 4, last operator standing.
Got him.
Friendly is victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Got peeked. Boys, master. You done got yeeted.
I liked my aeroplane strafe run and actually getting a kill with it.
Oof, he said a naughty word. Banned. Jeez, Stewie.
I wasn't Legion.
No. 7 kills.
Ah, it's because I'm
Clean
good
it
at the
up.
Vigi game.
Oh, you just got 3 kills at the very end there.
I mean, I got 8 kills, technically. Killed that other guy once by accident.
So essentially you did like 2 big rounds and then that's...
Yep. The last 2 rounds I did things, the rest I just sat around.
No, I reckon this will be my last one.
Yeah, I agree. Waking up is something that should happen tomorrow.
33,000 renown.
What a rich man.